Today, with the rise of cryptocurrencies and smart contracts that run on blockchains like Ethereum, it looks like decentralized finance will change everything that we know about the current financial system. A decentralized finance system will remove intermediaries from all the financial transactions that we do. And this is why we think projects that deal with decentralized finance are pretty promising. Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel today. Today, we'll be discussing Reef tokens and what they'll be worth in 2025, so stick till the end of the video if you want to know the prices for Reef tokens. But before we begin, subscribe to our channel for more content just like this one. Drop a like for the video if you're optimistic about the future of decentralized finance. With all that done, let's get started. There are so many decentralized finance projects today, but things can get complicated for most people because decentralized finance is not the cup of tea for so many people. Today, we have Reef Finance trying to solve just that. The main features of the Reef platform have to be the Reef trading terminal and Reef yield engine. Users will have the ability to trade assets via the Reef trading terminal, which utilizes the atomic bridge of the Polkadot network for enabling trading. Interesting. Reef will integrate the liquidity from existing decentralized exchanges. The Reef platform is also looking to integrate with existing centralized exchanges, which will then allow users to participate in decentralized finance with much more safety and ease. Then we have to talk about the Reef yield engine. So basically, Reef gives users baskets where users can deposit the tokens, and the Reef yield engine, which is powered by artificial intelligence, helps the users to maximize their yields or profits. Now, the operations performed by the yield engine will include borrowing, mining, and lending. Users will be able to board their tokens quickly as the Reef platform is compatible with major liquidity providers and wallets. The Reef token is the native token of the Reef Finance, and it has certain use cases, but it is only limited to the Reef network. The first one has to be governance because Reef token is primarily a governance token, and Reef users will have the ability to vote on different proposals, which may be related to the release of new features or adjusting any kind of parameters in the Reef platform. Users will also have the ability to stake Reef tokens on different platforms and then earn some interest on it. Reef token will also be used to pay the transaction fees for executing various operations on platforms like entering or exiting a basket allocation, reallocation, rebalancing, and so many other activities. And finally, the users of Reef token will have the ability to choose the payout ratio of all the profits generated by performing activities like borrowing or lending in their allocation basket. Today, if you're looking to buy Reef tokens, it is available with Binance Exchange. Now, you might be thinking, why exactly is Reef Finance running on Polkadot instead of Ethereum, especially when every other cryptocurrency projects or decentralized finance projects run on Ethereum? Well, the reason why Polkadot was chosen by Reef Finance is because of the higher speed and lower transaction costs that Polkadot provides over Ethereum. Ethereum is known for having insanely high transaction fees, and it also takes a considerable amount of time for a transaction to get done on the Ethereum network. Yes, the Ethereum 2.0 network will be fixing all these problems that Ethereum had, but we don't know when Ethereum 2.0 is going to come. Now, the Reef platform is made of three major components that perfectly complement each other. They are Smart Yield Farming Aggregator, Smart Asset Management, and Global Liquidity Aggregator. Let's start discussing global liquidity aggregators. Today, the Reef platform has connected to some of the largest crypto trading platforms available right now with the sole purpose of providing unparalleled liquidity. The unique factor is that all the aggregated liquidity goes through decentralized exchanges and centralized exchanges. This means that users will have to hedge against the downsides of using two different sources with transaction fees and slippage rates that are extremely high. Usually centralized exchanges liquidity is accessed through broker services, but on the other hand, decentralized liquidity comes from online order books and automated market makers. An additional benefit to having the global liquidity aggregator is that the liquidity aggregation protects users from issues such as front-running and market manipulation. The Reef platform also uses the Polkadot atomic bridge and aggregation of liquidity in its ecosystem. This also includes the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, such as Binance. With the inclusion of decentralized and centralized exchanges, users now will have the ability to access the greatest liquidity possible while keeping the slippage rates really low. This means that trading on Reef networks will be affordable and easy to use. Next, we need to discuss the Smart Yield Farming Aggregator, and this is one of the other features in the Reef network. And Reef is looking forward to simplifying yield farming and making it profitable at the same time. With the help of Smart Yield Farming Aggregator, the basket engine used by Reef also allows anyone to earn their own yield rewards when creating a stake in various asset baskets. It also automates other decentralized finance services such as lending, borrowing, and mining. The basket engine combines with the yield engine and the intelligence engine to make such a thing work. Users don't have to worry much because it is the Reef artificial intelligence that will allow asset management based on the needs and goals of individual users. With this, Reef is making it easy to deal with decentralized finance, thus making it much more accessible to the common man. The Reef Yield Engine also allows users to stake in any of the available asset baskets, and the entire process is automated with the help of AI, and this can be configured depending on your financial goals. The AI will dynamically adjust and rebalance the portfolio by moving assets to more appropriate baskets as required. And finally, we need to talk about smart asset management, and this is the third and the least important component of the Reef network. This is provided by Reef Intelligence Engine with the help of smart asset management. Users will have the ability to seamlessly rebalance their holding between various baskets. The AI engine will also be making recommendations based on all available information. Now, you have some idea about Reef tokens, so it's time to discuss the prices for Reef tokens. You need to keep in mind that cryptocurrency prices are really difficult to predict because the market is extremely volatile, and anything can happen with the cryptocurrency market. But that did not stop crypto experts from giving their price predictions. The price of the Reef token on the 18th of July 2021 was $0.0134, and this price is subject to change by the time you watch this video. Gov Capital predicts the price of Reef token to go up as high as $0.071 by the end of this year. By the end of 2022, the prices will go up to $0.8. Then we have digitalcoinprice.com with the price prediction of $0.021 by the end of 2021. By the end of 2022, you can expect the price to be $0.0233. When you look at 2023, you can expect the prices to be $0.029. By 2024, expect the price to be $0.328. When you look at 2025, we see a trend that the price is continuing to increase, and you can see a price of $0.0403 by the end of 2025. But every cryptocurrency price prediction must be taken with a grain of salt because cryptocurrencies do not have any intrinsic value, and they are valued depending on what people are willing to pay for them. So, to sum things up, Reef Finance is definitely something that you need to look forward to because it is developed on one of the world's best blockchains, and that has to be Polkadot. Reef Finance is actually really user-friendly, and it also focuses on maximizing their profits for users, which is really interesting. It also inherits so many properties of Polkadot, and with the integration with Polkadot, Reef will be able to work with so many other blockchains in the future. Reef is also integrating decentralized exchanges and centralized exchanges, which will enable increased liquidity for asset managers and traders. The Reef is also the first Polkadot launch pool to be listed on the Binance platform, so that speaks a lot about what Reef can do. The Reef is also backed up by many serial entrepreneurs and the best people in the blockchain industry, and they have experience in so many fields, including engineering, cryptography, and finance. So Reef is a project that is something that you need to look out for. And a final note, this video was made as an infotainment content and should only be viewed as such. This is not a financial advice video. Any investments that you make with cryptocurrencies must be made at your own risk because the entire cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, and you might end up losing all your investments. So doing your research and then investing your money into the cryptocurrency market is the best thing you can do today. With that, we have come to the end of our video. What do you think about Reef tokens? Do you think Reef token will be worth a lot more than what it is today? We would love to hear from you, so do let us know in the comments section below. Drop a like for the video if you like where the future of decentralized finance is heading. Subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one, and press the bell icon to get notified about our future uploads. That's about it for today. Catch you in the next one.